Hi everybody, welcome to Tam Predicts, and this is another reading. This is for 14th October to 21st October. A lot of people have been writing that they love my readings, but I talk too fast. But that's what I am, a Gemini. I talk too fast. I will try to slow down, but I lose my messages. I lose my channel messages, guys. So if you're new to my channel, I'm a psychic. I'm a psychic tarot reader. I'm a medium. I'm an empath. I do automatic writing. I give guidances and I work with guided spirits, my ascended masters, and my archangels. So this reading is for 14th October to 21st October, and let's see what the week will bring to you. I've got a lot of tools here to give you a lot of messages. There are numbers, there are colors, there are charms. There's also Scrabble. So when I use Scrabble also, I use automatic writing to give messages. I use Scrabble when the words form something. So I know that I have to give that message to you guys. So let's see how is the coming week going to be for you. This is for 14th October to 21st of October. I want to start with this set. I've got a lot of sets out, a lot of decks out, and let me see. I'm going to start with your lucky number for this week. Lucky number for this week is 5. So if you want to start something, do it on the 5th of probably when it adds to a 5, or something to do with 5 number. Is it 5 people? Is it just write 5, and whatever you want to start, like a new relationship or a job or anything, a business, just write 5 there in numerics, and that wish will come true. You can write what you want, and I think work with number 5 to manifest things. 5 is going to be lucky for you in October. That's what I feel. I got charms here, so let's use the charms first. And I got a lot of water energy. So this is seahorse, dolphin, and starfish. I told you this is 5 because I got 5 here. 5. You can see there 5. 5 in number. So I got a lot of water and energy. I also got a lot of freedom. Want a lot of freedom, breaking away from something. So remember, guys, this is a general guidance. It's not specific. So this is not necessary. All the messages are for you. Like I always say, it could be that you resonate with a few, and you can take whatever resonates with you or leave whatever doesn't. So I also get an empty heart. That's the words that I get. I don't know why. In October, a few of you, especially fire signs and earth signs, will have this feeling of the empty heart. Like there is no. It should be a red heart, but there is something. You're feeling drained from your heart. Or probably another message that I get is that you're giving too much in the situation, and your heart is totally drained of any color. It's like you don't have any more love to give. I don't know. That's another message that I get. What it means to you in your situation. It's almost you're done with the person. You're like, how much can I give? In the whole situation or in the relationship. I also got green. I also got connecting to Mother Earth, Nature Earth. That's what you'll feel like. You'll also get plants. The smell of fresh grass. You love the smell of fresh. Sorry, you love the smell of fresh grass. Or you will go to a place where you remove your shoes and you'll have a nice long walk. That's another thing that I get with this. I also feel October there are a lot of things moving for you, and especially in this week things are going to move at a crazy speed. There'll be no time to sit and breathe, because that's what this wheel tells me. It's a wheel of movement. It's a wheel of change. That's another channel message that I get. So 14 to 21st, a lot of changes are going to be there. It's a movement towards progress. It's a movement towards your future, what you're going to build. It's constant movement. So you're going to be crazy busy in this coming week. That's what I feel. I get especially for air signs. This is for air signs. I feel your wheel is turning very fast. There are multiple things that you need to address or take care of. I also got round circles. I got a black and I got kind of a purple. I also feel some of you going round and round in a situation. Not knowing how to get out of the situation, but with this also, with the ball, I feel this is momentum. I feel wheel and the ball is actually all about momentum. So those are the charms and those are the messages that I wanted to give. So let's move on to the decks and let's see what this week brings for you. I'm going to start with the sigil messages. These are my angel sigil cards. These are also new. So let's see how many messages do I want to give you. What are the messages for the people listening to this reading? My God, 3 of them just fell out of my hand. So much energy, and I love that. So this is Archangel Michael. and it's saying protection, so you are protected in this coming month. I also get some of you buying policies which will protect you or your house, some kind of a policy you're buying to protect yourself. It's also having a feeling of protecting the ones you love, or it's also taking care of someone, especially your kids, wanting to protect your kids from something. It could be like a cold, or harsh weather, some kind of an allergy, so there is protection here. Or the other message I get is you really feel protected. You really want to protect someone. You feel very protective towards that person is what I get. I also feel in love situation the person really cares about you, and wants you safe. That's the other message. So this is, sorry, I reversed, put it reverse. This is pleasure. So it's going to be a beautiful time. You two are going to, I don't know why I got the word honey. I don't know if you call your loved one honey, but I get spending a lot of time with the one you love. I don't know how many dates can you go out for, or what, if you're together or you away from each other. But this is a card where you two will be together for some time. Probably a short date or just going for a drive. But this is 14 to 21 what I pick up. This is also innocence. So you're very childlike. Sometimes you behave very childlike. That's the message I get. And from 14 to 21, that's, I want you not to behave childlike. I want you to be wise in a situation. Use your wisdom, use your life experiences. I don't know why I said lose. Use something that you have learned, okay? And that requires your experience. The situation requires your experience. You have to deal with the situation. I also get innocence and protection. Innocence could be, child, probably just a baby or a toddler, who cannot fend for herself or himself, or who cannot protect, a toddler who cannot protect himself or herself. So there is a lot of motherly feeling that I get here. Or I think you just had a child. You just had a child, and you're very protected towards the kid. Those are the messages that I am getting. Let's see what is the other message. Thrill. Yes, it's going to be thrilling for some of you. I can show it. It's going to be a thrilling ride. These are the pyramids, but I don't know why I got its boats here. It's like a sailboat, and it is also, feeling the thrill from someone, probably from a water activity. I get a lot of water adventure. Guys, sorry if the card says something else and I say something else, because I get channel messages, and whenever I keep my hand on it and whatever messages I get, I just give that, because I suddenly saw sailboats instead of pyramids, and I was like, you got to set something sail in the month or the week that's coming by, and for what the timelines that I'm reading for you. So there's a lot of thrill in the situation. I feel 3 friends going out together. I feel 4 friends going out together for this journey, or for probably camping, or you out in the open. I get bonfire, I get out in the open, quite adventurous. You have a very adventurous group of friends. That's another message that I get. Genius. So you're going to have a genius, like a spark, like an idea will come to you suddenly. That's what I get. There'll be your imagination will know no bounds in the month of October 14th to 21. You're going to crack some idea. Probably you've been going, probably that ball meant you're going round in circles, and you're going round in circles, and you don't know the way out. But this is you'll have, kind of suddenly a light bulb moment, where you'll be like, aha moment, where you will say, I know the answer to this situation. How can I not? How was I not thinking it this way? In fact, this is the way I need to deal with the situation. So those are a lot of messages for you in the first deck only. Let's see what the other messages are. I'm going to give you one fairy message. Let's see. I've not used these cards for long, but let's see. I think they belong in the reading today. One fairy message has to be given today. 14 to 21st September. Life energy. I told you you'll need a lot of energy. You'll have a lot of energy around you. A lot of things happening around you. So rest a while right now, because the coming week is going to be crazy for you guys. And this is so beautiful. It's also wanting to go out in the open, like I said, stepping on grass. You're surely going to do this in the coming week. You're gonna walk barefoot. That's what I feel. Almost connecting with nature. That's the kind of energy that I get. Okay, let's see what the Moonology cards have for you. I feel like giving 2 messages from here. Moonology cards. What are the messages for October 14th to 21st? What's coming? What's important? What are the important messages? Too many fell. What are the important messages for you guys? I want to take out two. Have faith in your dreams. 14 to 21st is all about dreaming big, believing in yourself, and having the determination to turn your dreams into reality. That's what I get. Nothing will come out of this situation if you thought that this situation will bring you zero results. Okay, that's the message that I get. If you thought your situation is going to bring zero results, or actually did not give you any results, or you could not make out the situation, it was very confusing, you'll get much clarity. 14 to 21st. And I get it's a job related situation. I get it's more job than anything else. So you're going to get clarity very soon, which is brilliant. So let's see what are the Earth's messages. This is the Earth's Oracle deck. What are the messages for you guys for 14th to 21st? I hope I'm slower than usual, because the moment I get slower, I'm like, oh God, I lost that message. You know, I didn't get that message. What are the messages for you guys? October 14th to 21st. This card came out. Praying for something. You guys have been praying for something at night. I feel it's a 11 o'clock ritual. I don't know why I get a 11 o'clock ritual. This is manifestation. This is almost trying to forecast, you know, wanting to know the future. Or the other message that I get is trying to know what's in my future. That's really making you restless. I get such a restless energy when I think about this. This is really wanting to know what's coming next, you know. It's like I said, probably you were not clear before this. There was no clarity. But I think from October 14th to 21st, there'll be more clarity. It's like almost seeing your future very clearly. That's what I get. I don't know, I get somebody's watching this and your name starts with B. B for brave. Maybe that's a message for you. Be brave. Be brave. Both are B, you know, be brave, and it's a message for you. I don't know why I get this message. I always say I don't know why, but it's a channel message. Nothing will bind you 14th to 21st. If anything, any energy was binding you, or something wasn't really making you go that distance, I think that person will cut off from you, or that thing will move away from your life. Something will be completed. Some project will be completed. Probably you didn't have clarity in that project, and once you have clarity, you're going to complete this project in the given time, probably in a week's time. Maybe these messages are for me. But yeah, readers generally don't read for themselves or their loved ones, because there are biases and judgments, a lot of things that do come, you know, when you're actually reading out. So I normally don't read for myself. That's how it is. So let's see what are the other messages. Lots of messages for you guys, don't worry. 14th to 21st, what are the other messages? Let me see if I can give you some money messages or anything that's different that I can see in the cards or here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I feel 4 piles. Feeling like a queen, being happy with your decisions, being the head of the family. People will be listening to you. If you want to say something right now, you can say it, because I think people will be more open-minded. That's the message that I get from this card. Oops. This is attachment with someone, not letting you move away. So it's also a decision between two people. A decision about somebody else you love. This is some decision. You don't know, you either need to move away, or you cannot move away from that person, no matter how hard you try. There's something that binds you. Probably that was the message that I wanted to give. 14th to 21st. You'll realize something binds you, and you cannot do anything about this energy. I don't know why I get this. And I don't know if you're going to break free. For some of you, I don't think you're going to break free. It's kind of codependency. I don't know if it's a job, business, but there's codependency, too much dependency on the other person, being dependent on the other person. I don't know for what, but it's you cannot break away from this person or whatever it is. Money improvements will come, but I feel at the end of October, that's what I feel. Because there have been delays around money coming in. I also feel you really wanted to feel important in someone else's life. It's a very different card, guys. I'm reading it totally. That's the message that I get. That's how I am. Wanting to be important in someone's life, but that's not happening. That's not happening. It's almost I can see you begging for recognition or for importance in someone's life, or recognition in some kind of a job, begging. It's almost like, please, I deserve this, and I don't know why I don't have that. That's the message I get. I would want you to wait 10 more days before you take a very important decision. So from the time, or from the day you're listening to this, add 10 more days, okay, whenever you're listening to this, whichever date you listen to this, probably not tomorrow, maybe you listen to this day after, but add 10 days. Don't make a very important decision right now. That's what I feel. Things will not go in your favor. Remember that. Guys, also remember, when I give you guidances, it's totally, in the end, it's your free will. You can do whatever you think is the best, and you should do what is the best in your situation, because you know your situation the best. I'm very far away from it. These are all messages, for different people listening to me. It's not just one person. So remember that too. Let me see what messages I get. What messages do you want me to give? What messages do you want me to give? What are the messages? R.A. I get rope. I almost get rope, bound to someone. I also get or. I told you, you're going to make a decision. There will be a decision. I get an or here. You want to be at par at someone. You're not at par with somebody. You want that importance. You're not at par with someone. You want that importance, and no, and that person is not giving you importance. What are the other messages that I need to give? What are the other messages that I need to give? I'm going to sue someone. Who's going to sue someone? You're going to sue someone for someone. Is there something legal coming up in your life? That's what I get. Something is. I also get the word use. You feel that somebody used you. That's what you're going to find out. 14 to 21st. Someone used you, and just to get their job done, and you had no idea. Probably that was the innocence card. You felt very innocent. So somebody else is protecting you. Now that you feel vulnerable, I think you're vulnerable about something, or something has happened here. I don't know, there's a story here. You felt used, that, or the person, just used you for something, and you were like, you really didn't think of that person that way. See, something to do with water. I don't know, water sports are coming to me a lot. Maybe you love water sports, you love adventure, but I get a lot of sea here. That's what I get. So those were the messages for you guys. I gave you many messages for 14th to 21st. I want to make this reading a little bit different. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to give you one message each for each day. Let's see how it is. So it might be for you. The message might not be for you, but I want to use these cards, and I really feel that every day should have one message. So let's do a quick one. So let's see what 14 will bring you. 14th. You're going to breathe on 14th. Something will be clearer. Something will be good. You'll relax on 14th. 14th is relaxing. 15th, still not completing the project. So this is 15th. Something needs more work. 16th, you will get clarity. 16th onwards, you'll start getting clarity about the situation. That's what I get. 17th, releasing someone, or taking a deep breath. I also get taking a deep breath, meditating, releasing something that doesn't belong in your life. I feel releasing a grudge or something you hold against someone. 18th, I want you to be focused. I don't want you to lose vision lose focus on the 18th. Sorry. 19th is a good day. 19th is a good day where you'll feel very strong. Nobody can mess with you on the 19th. You know what you're doing. You're not vulnerable. 20th, avoid a situation. Avoid a situation that can turn into a volcano situation. So that's what this is. One last card for 21st. Promises. Wow. Promises will be made, will be kept. New things will come your way. New projects will come your way. I feel you're going to sign something. I can see signatures. I see new promises. I see someone making you a promise about something. Spending the future together. Also building something. I don't know if it's you're going to buy a house around this time, but it's thinking about buying a house, talking about the future. That's what I feel, looking into the future. So that was the reading. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and thank you so much for listening to me. I hope you have a great week ahead, and I'll be back with another reading. Thank you so much, guys. Do comment, how did you like it? Thank you.